Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix Microsoft Edge from crashing from the version you see in the screen and above. To get started, simply download this file from the link given in the video description and extract it. Now copy the extracted file. Go to this PC, C drive, Program Files 86 folder. Then go to Microsoft folder. Then go to the Edge folder, Application folder, and simply paste that copied file here. Once done, click on Microsoft in the address bar. Then go to Edge WebView folder. Then click on Application folder, go to the Version folder and paste the same file here again. Close everything. Now try to run Edge, and this time it won't crash further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped, and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.